What's up, superstars? Welcome back to Crypto Cornucopia, where you come for the latest crypto news, education, and a path to prosperity. I'm making these videos for beginners, so if there's anybody you know that wants to learn about crypto, share the video, share the love. Also, use the links below for any of the videos that I reference if you want to learn more about it. I think it's extremely important to get other people's point of view so that you can form your own. This is not financial opinion or not financial advice, just financial opinion. You need your own opinion in this space to make the right decisions. Also, if you see anything weird in the comments, if it looks weird, it is weird, stay away from it. All right, so the sentiment today for Bitcoin is at 53. I think it's because it's hovering around 61. We want to stay above 62, but still staying level is great. And then Ethereum's at 63, so very bullish. These are the hottest on Twitter today: IOTX, Loom, CRO, because of the new partnership, AMP, TEL, CHR, Solana, of course, still crushing it, and then ACH. Let's get right into it. All right, this is huge, urgent crypto update. People might call you crazy for getting into crypto, but at this point, I think it's just the opposite. You're crazy for not getting into crypto. There's so much bullish news, and I dare to say that this is different from 2013, 2017. You have so much adoption. You have so many things happening. Let's get into it right now. Fidelity, one of the most respected companies and money managers in the world, and managing, I think, top 3 in the world, is predicting that Bitcoin is going to hit 100 million per coin by 2035. They actually put that out there. Think about that. One Bitcoin is going to be worth 100 million by 2035. This is a very respectable company coming out and saying that. All right, so this is a report from Jaon Pizzino. He's talking about how much money is coming in to the crypto market. All right, so crypto exchanges were the leading industry segment in the quarter, raising nearly $2 billion in venture funding, up from just $84 million in the third quarter of 2020. Money is moving into this space. All right, globally, crypto exchanges FTX, $900 million funding round led all equity deals in the third quarter, followed by a $680 million raise from France-based NFT platform. All right, moving on to the Solana ecosystem, you have Radium. Radium is an exchange on Solana. We know that Solana has been pumping. We know that investors and institutions are coming into this space and putting money into it. And this is the Paul Barron network. They have a proprietary system that predicts, or they have a model that predicts pretty accurately where they think something's going. Now, when the amplification becomes more than the sentiment, that's called a flip, then you can see that there's a rise. All right. I'm sorry, it's just the opposite. If the sentiment increases over the amplification, like right here, 61 was over 59, then you have a huge breakout. All right. And right now they just saw that happening. They call it a flippening. So the sentiment flipped the amplification, and they feel like it's going to be going up and to the right. So currently it's at about 11, and they feel like by about the 16th, today's November 4th, so in about 2 weeks they feel like it can get up to 15. So that's something to watch out for. Let's keep an eye on that, see if that comes to fruition. All right, so Polkadot, as I told you, we got the parachain coming out. People are locking up their dot, so it breaks new highs. Kusama is their canary network, if you will, the little brother, surges on parachain developments. So a lot in the Polkadot system is surging right now, as we said it would. All right, so you have the New York City Mayor, Eric Adams, brand new. In his speech, wants a city to have its own cryptocurrency. On top of that, he also said that he wants New York City to become the hub, the center for Bitcoin. So is this just hype? Is he just saying this because it's part of his campaign and he just wants people to get behind him right now? Or is this really going to happen? We'll see. All right, also, Congressman Emmer and Soto want SEC to approve a spot market Bitcoin ETF. So now the SEC is getting push from congressmen, which are getting push from people who want this to happen. So this, again, this was not happening in 2017. There was a pump up and a crash down. The urgency is that the situation is changing. The atmosphere is changing. And you can see Bitcoin's not just pumping. It's moving slow up and to the right, which is what we want. All right, moving on to this gentleman's from Ellio Trades. As you can see, there's a lot going on here. He uses a lot of indicators, but he created his own indicator, this yellow lane right here. And in the past, as it goes, as he was saying in the video, when it's coming up, then it's changing direction, then you can see there's a big pump. The other thing that is happening with this is these are called higher lows. You have a drop down, and then it goes up a little bit, but it drops back down, and then goes up, and then drops back down. But each one of these lows is a little bit higher than the last. When you have 3 higher lows like that, along with the indicators that are what are happening, then you have a projection, which he has from right now currently at about 13 up to 20, which is a huge increase. All right, so let's keep an eye on Sushi and see what's happening. All right, next up you have YouTubers Mr. Beast and KSI invest in XCAD network. XCAD is a cryptocurrency that gives back to the viewers. It incentivizes the viewers to watch YouTube, and you can see these huge YouTubers getting into this and handing these XCAD tokens out for each of their viewers. So it's a way to monetize YouTube. So I think this is going to be huge. All right, next up, right over here with XCAD, it's deflationary, and this is something that I look for in a token. If we've gone over market cap before, if you didn't see the video, go back. But essentially, you have an amount of tokens that are in circulation. Now, if the total amount of tokens in circulation go down over time, it's a supply and demand thing. If the amount of tokens go down and the supply is going down, the demand goes up, that means the price goes up. So that's something that I look for. Now, the way that they have it designed is the more creators that they have, the more the XCAD they have locked in liquidity. And by what they're saying up here, if you take an average creator of 20,000 XCADs, then consider we've already announced 28 creators. That means that 560,000 XCAD are due to be locked in liquidity forever. It's locked. It means it's not moving. It's not on the market anymore. Take it off the market. Again, you have a supply shock. So I think this is something that can be huge. Obviously, I'm on YouTube. I love watching YouTubers. And I think this is something that can become very popular. This is a token I'm going to be keeping my eye on. All right, guys, thanks for listening through the whole video. If you did like it, please like, subscribe, and again, share it to anybody that you think might want to learn more about crypto. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.